Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss another problem in linked list. Problem is split a circular linked list into two halves. I hope you know about what is circular linked list. If you do not know, it's nothing like it's simple linked list. Just that the end node is not the last node's next is not null now. The last node is connected with the head of the linked list, right? This is just the difference between the simple linked list and circular linked list. It's a circular, like if you reach at the end of the linked list, it again points to the first node in the linked list, that is the head, right? This is circular linked list. So what we need to do in this question is we need to split a circular linked list into two halves, right? We'll be given a circular linked list and we need to split it into two halves. And uh, first list should have one more node than the second list. And like basically if there are odd number of elements, then what we can do is the first linked list will have one more node as compared to the second list, because there are odd number of nodes, right? The resultant list should also be circular list and not linear list, right? So basically let's see, if we have this circular linked list, in this we have even number of nodes, 4, right? So if we have to split it into two halves, then what we'll do is 2 and 6 will be one circular linked list. So 6 next should not be null, it should not be null. What it should be is it should be connected with 2 again, it should be circular as well. And the second half will be 1 5, and 5 should be connected again with 1. See, if you do not connect 5 with 1, it will be by default, it will be connected with 2, right? So you need to connect 5 with 1. So these will be the output, 2 6 1 5. So if you see this test case 2 6 1 5. If we see one other test case in which we have odd number of elements, so like if we have this linked list 1 5 7. So in this, see, if we have odd number of nodes, so even in the question they have mentioned that uh, first list should have one more node than the second list. Means if there are odd number of nodes, so the first half should contain one, so there will be one extra node na, because they are odd. So first list should contain one more node than second. So what, this will be divided into 1 5, 5 connected with 1, 2 nodes, and in the second half only 7 will be there. So this is first half, this is second half, and first half has one more node than the second half, right? See, so now let's see, I hope you have understood the problem. It's very simple. Now let's see how we can approach this. Let's take this example, this test case only. 2 6 1 5, 2 6 1 5. So see, we need to divide it into two halves. So we need to know where it is like divided into halves. If we get this half, if we know this border, right? We know this border that it's getting divided here. This will be one half, this will be the other half. What we need to just do is when we reach at 6, we just need to connect it with 2, which is the head of the linked list. And when we reach at 5, we just need it to connect with 1. Now how we will know what is this, right? How we can divide a linked list into two parts. So I hope you have got it. We will find the middle of the linked list. Middle of linked list. Right. So if we find the middle of linked list, so for this linked list, the middle will come out to be yeah, the middle node will be 6. This will be the middle node, right? This is the middle node. So we know, if you do not know how to find the middle of linked list, I would highly recommend you can check the video. The link is in the description, right? You can check that first and then you can come here. So we know we have found this middle node, right? Now what we'll do is middle's next 1 will be the first node in the second half, right? This 1 will be first node in the second half. So let's because we need to connect 6 with 2. Right now 6 is connected with 1. We need to connect 6 with 2, but before that we need to store this 1 somewhere, otherwise it will be lost. Because if we connect 6 with 2, this pointer is lost, but we need 1 anyway, right? So we will have a variable, let's say x, and in that we will store this middle nodes next, which is 1, and then we can connect the middles next to head, right? So this will connect to this, and this we got our first half. This is our first half. Simple. Now let's see how we can get the second half. Now we know second half will start from x, which is 1, right? So we will traverse to the end node of the linked list. Now this 5 should be connected with 1, so as to make circular, right? And what is 1? Where is 1 stored? It's stored in x. So 5's next should point to x, this, and hence they will be connected, and we will get our second half, which is starting from x. I hope you understood the approach. Very simple, very simple. First we'll find the middle node, right? First we will find the middlemost node. We will store its next in a pointer x. Then we will connect this middle nodes next to the head of the linked list, so that this makes our first half. Second half will start from x, and we'll traverse to the end of the linked list, and the end nodes next should point to this x, because this is the first node in this second half. So let's see the code now. I hope you understood the approach. Code is very simple. So we are given head of the linked list, right? So, and we are given two these pointers, head 1 reference and head 2 reference. First of all, we need to find the middle node, right? We need to find the middle node. So middle node we'll be finding using slow and fast pointer method. We have a slow pointer, we have a fast pointer. Slow is initialized with head, and fast is initialized is at, you can say, heads next, right? Then we will move this until head is not equal to fast, and fast is next is not equal to head, right? Basically we are finding the middle node of the linked list. Why we are taking head not equal to fast? Because if we go here, like after 5, this is a circular linked list, right? So earlier we used to write fast not equal to null, but since it's a circular linked list, null will never come. After 5 it will be this head, so that's why we are using head not fast, and fast next is not equal to head. Move the pointers, right? And then what you will do is, at slow, your slow pointer will come here, right? So this will be your middle node, and slows next will be the second half's first node. So slows next we are storing in head 2 reference, and head 1 reference has head value. This head 2 reference is the first node in the second half, right? And what we are doing, slows next we are now setting it to head, the head of the linked list. That means what we are doing is we are making this connection. 6 is connecting to this head, right? Then it's simple. We are now we know this pointer. We have this pointer value in head 2 reference. We will now move till the this last node in the linked list, right? Until current's next not head, right? 5's next is 2, right? So we will traverse till 5, and at last 5's next we will write head 2 reference. That means 5's next is connected with this 1, right? So I hope you understood the code as well as approach. It's very simple. We are doing single traversal, so time complexity will be of n, and space we are not using any extra data structure. We are just using pointers, and so will be constant space. So if you like the video, please share with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel, it highly motivates me, and hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video.